Hello everyone, my name is Shantu Mangor from 10 MIPA 2 School Santo Antonius. This video I will make pineapple jam. How to eat? Check this video. Ingredients: 2 pineapples, 200 grams of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Tools: frying knife, fried spoon, and grater. Step: first, pure pineapple. Second, heat frying pan on a gas stove over medium heat. Third, after the hot pan, add 2 grated pineapple. Don't forget to add sugar and salt.
A few moments later.
Finally, turn off the stove. Very delicious. The pineapple jam is perfect for enjoying it with bread. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.